Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the TikTok application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now if you're using a Windows PC, then simply open up the Microsoft Store from your taskbar, and if you don't find it there, then use your search box to search for Microsoft Store. Simply open the application once you find it, and if you haven't logged into your Microsoft account already, you will need to log into it using your credentials. Now, once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can search for various different applications. Just tap on the search box and then type in TikTok and start your search. Once you find the TikTok application, just tap on it and you will be taken into the TikTok application page. Now, from the application page, tap on the install button and this will begin the installation of the TikTok application on your PC right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is done, you will see the open button instead of the get or the download button. When you see it, you can tap on the open button and this will open up the TikTok application on your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the TikTok application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.